Classic Tube has been lucky enough to have two different types of customer. One for the restoration industry who wants to refurbish or restore their car, and the other side is contract manufacturing, where a business needs tubing to their specifications. And we can come to that task and make any tube that they want for any purpose that they want and make it to their specs. Common to both sides is customer satisfaction. That's the bottom line. That's the end game, making everybody happy. We strive for perfection. That's our number one goal, and customer satisfaction. We want somebody to be happy with the product. We're not going to make something bad just to get it out the door. And we're not going to use inferior materials just to make a profit.
In 1989, Classic Tube entered the automotive aftermarket, creating replacement tubing for the restoration of classic cars. Since that time, millions of tubes, the majority being brake lines, fuel lines, transmission lines, and hydraulics, have found their way around the world into celebrity race cars, fleets of military defense vehicles, and even into satellites in space. And yet Classic Tube continues to provide its core customer tubing for virtually every car and truck, both foreign and domestic, from the 1930s all the way to the present.
All of our raw materials are from the United States. We pride ourselves in using all USA-made raw materials so that we can say we're a US company, we make US-built parts. Well, I live for the automotive industry, bottom line. In fact, I was lucky enough to be chosen as the driver of the Stop Flex Corvette in the Trans Am Road Racing Series, which I was second place in the championship. So I know the situation that my customers are in. I understand where they're coming from. They want a great product.
But great products don't just happen. It takes craftsmanship and an ongoing commitment to reinvesting in state-of-the-art machining to deliver the highest quality product.
Over the years, Classic Tube has had to invest in new technology every year so that we can make our products better, quicker, and have better quality for our customers. But the coolest machine I have on the floor is my employees, because they're very passionate about what they do. They want to do a fantastic job. And the tools we give them are the CNC machines. And their canvas is basically a raw piece of tubing. So they're making a product every single day that they can be proud of, and they're going to make it to the best of their ability. Our customer in the restoration market is very smart. They want to have the perfect product, so they're going to research who the best company is, which is Classic Tube, and they want a product that's going to fit the first time, because they don't want to do it twice. They want to get out and enjoy their car, and they want to take it to a judged event and not have to worry about anything, and that's a Classic Tube product.
One by one, we satisfy the most discriminating collector, but we also must duplicate tubes by the hundreds of thousands with strict precision. And in that regard, our reputation in the industry is second to none.
Manufacturing a tubing product is challenging because of the stackable tolerances. From cutting, deburring, flaring, and then bending, all those elements and processes have certain tolerances to them. And of course, controlling all those to get the finished product exactly what the customer needs is the challenge every day that we succeed in. Boeing Aerospace, Lockheed Martin, Oshkosh Defense, Rock Island Arsenal, Moog Aerospace. I mean, all those people need product that is perfect and really highly technical, very tight tolerance. And they've entrusted us to deliver a perfect product to them.
At Classic Tube, we're bent on perfection. Every tube, every angle, every order. You can believe we're just as proud to help you restore your single prized possession as we are to participate in the defense of our country.
We have a commitment to quality, and that expectation from the customer to give them a great product is what pushes us every single day.